Tudip from GMR Institute of Technology. I'm working in the Tudip technologies from the past 2.5 years, and it's been a great experience while working with the Tudip. All the best for your campus drive. Hope you will be the next Tudipian.
Hi guys, I'm Akhil Chakka. I'm from GMR Institute of Technology. I'm currently working as software developer with Tudip Technologies from the past 2.5 years. I'm grateful to be a part of Tudip family. All the best for your campus drive. Hope you will be the next Tudipian.
Hi guys, I am Mangal Saiteja from GMR Institute of Technology. I am working as software developer from past 1.4 years in Tudip Technologies. It's grateful to be working Tudipian. All the best for your campus drive and hope you will be the next Tudipian.
Hi guys, I am Pawan Gora from GMR Institute of Technology. I am working as a software developer in Tudip Technologies from the last 2.6 years. Tudip is the best place to work and also explore more things, and you can also learn more things from the Tudip. All the best for your campus drive and hope you will be the next Tudipian.